Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. I'm going to share with you how I made $50 withdrawal in this video. $50 withdrawal dropped. Trading forex with ease. This is the best method whereby you can successfully trade forex, because it has been established that forex is one of the ways whereby you can make money online. Forex trading is one of the ways whereby you can generate passive or residual income online. But how to get it done is the task that needs to be done. So here in this video, I'm going to share with you my $50 withdrawal and how I get this done. Okay, but before I move further in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Alright, LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investments, on how to make residual income, how to generate passive income, and also this channel is created to warn you of some fraudulent or ingenuine online platforms, so that you are not going to venture into such and lose your hard-earned money at the end of the day. All right, so if you have any questions concerning this video or any of my content here, you can chat me up on WhatsApp on this WhatsApp number in the top right of this screen, or through my email address. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Okay, it is very, very important that you subscribe to this channel, you click on the notification bell, and you share with your friends and family, so that you can be continually aware of the next updates that I'm going to drop in a subsequent video. All right, so once again, what you are considering today is $50 withdrawal dropped. I want to show you my withdrawal proof and how I get it done through the forex site that I am using. All right, so now let me first take you to my Binance app to show you the withdrawal from IPC. Okay, all right, let me click on the notification here. So this is the withdrawal here. So the deposits have gotten to my wallet address. That is, it got to my wallet address here, as you can see. So this is my proof. You can see today's date is the 8th of March 2022, and you can see you have deposited 50 USDT at 2022-0308 around 10:0013 UTC time. All right, so that is that about that. And now let me take you to the platform. Let me show you the trading activities there. So you can see my total now is 1196. So my daily trade is, I have made $13.83 for today. So let me show you that of last week, where the withdrawal emanated from. You can see withdrawal of 68.63, but 20% of this will be deducted, and in my IPC account. So let me take you to the broker that I'm using. Sorry, let me take you to the broker. Okay, so if you are yet to start IPC now, I can tell you confidently that you are missing a lot, because people are making a lot of money through this platform. So you too can start today and start making money in forex. You don't need to have the technical know-how, you don't need to have all the indicators, you don't need to trade on your own, but there is a robot in IPC that can do this on your behalf. Okay, so let me log into my account to show you So I'm going to pause this video for now. Work successfully, and I'm getting my profits on daily basis. Okay, if you are new to join, if you are here to join Intelligence Prime Capital, don't worry about that. Just check my description box, the description box of this video, for the link to do that, so that you too can start making money in forex as from today. So there are 3 robots that you can subscribe to in IPC, but the best one and the most efficient one is Genius Bot, that is sold for 100 US dollar. So here you just need to come to the subscription button. So after you have verified your account, because you need to verify your account to know if truly you are a human being. Okay, so I just want to show you the 3 robots that you can subscribe to for you to trade source of forex successfully. So there is no need for you trading manually. There is no need for you copy trading professionals that can also do some mistakes, that can also lose some trades. But here in IPC, your capital is secured and your daily profit is assured. It is assured. So many people have been enjoying this, and you too, you can also join the moving train and earn on daily basis with IPC. Okay, let me reload this. Okay, yes, now the brilliant bot is now $39.90. The genius bot is approximately $100, and the last one, the smart bot, is $19, approximately $20. So that is how to subscribe. I want to tell you confidently that IPC is a broker, is a forex broker, and they embedded in the broker 3 robots, that is artificial intelligence, that can trade, that can read, that can analyze market and take the perfect decision in trading activities on your behalf on daily basis. So this enables you to make profit. As I showed you in my MT4 account the other time, I am making money on daily basis due to this robot that I am using. So you too can start making money in IPC. You can start making money in forex as from today. Okay, you can see my capital is now 1196 from 150 that I started with, and in my USDT wallet I have 2.93. So let me show you the $50 that I withdrew. Okay, report fund transaction history. Okay, right now, so I think it is here. So not here, this is it. So $53 was withdrawn, but $3 is for the transaction fee. So I received $50 in my wallet address, as you can see. So this is one of the ways whereby I am making money online. So I can see that truly I have the $50 in my wallet address, and it's still counting because the daily trade is still on. Today alone I've made $13, as you can see. $13, as you can see here, $13.83. So you too can make more than this on daily basis. So this is my way of making money online through forex trading. All right, don't forget, you can check the description box of this video for more information. Use the comment box for questions, and you can also chat me up on WhatsApp, and also join our Telegram channel for more information. This is where I'm going to end this video for today. Thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell, share this video with your friends and family, give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, because this can be the information that many people have been waiting for their financial turnaround. So don't hesitate to share this good news to them. All right, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.